Yo, what's up everybody, it's your boy JRE, and right now we about to check out ITZY, Born to Be. Born to Be, they just released it just recently. I'm excited for it. It's been a minute since I checked out some ITZY, and put a comment down below what you guys think of the music video. If you already watched it, if you liked it, be sure to like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy JRE. I will be in Hawaii soon with some familia. So there might not be as much videos as usual, but I'll probably put out some here and there. I'll definitely do some live streams on Twitch. If you haven't followed me on Twitch or watched me on Twitch, don't just follow me, watch me on Twitch. Be sure to join the Discord, link in the description. This is where everybody hangs out. It's where I update mostly everyone about what's happening in my life. Enough about that. Let's check out some ITZY, Born to Be in 3, 2, 1. Born to Be. Oh, fire. The two look like lava, right? Okay, dancer. Oh, I heard that it wasn't all the members here. True. Oh, brand new fire. Oh, the floor is lava. Like that game. The floor is lava. Oh, damn! Kicking in the face. Oh. Oh, girl. Wait, hold up. Still slaying. She always really do slaying though. Yes, Miss Ma'am. Take that front. Ooh. Ooh, okay, camera angle and choreo. This feels like more of a performance video than a music video, no? Unless it's gonna switch up. Oh, it's only 4 of them, that's right, yeah. Ooh. Okay, where are we born to be? Oh. Born to be what? Damn, they slang. I like their outfits, by the way. Oh, wild and wait. It says born to be wild and free. Oh, okay. I'll see you. We all wild and free at some point. Okay. Born to be. Ryujin's outfit's fire to me. I don't know. Like the straps, just like out. Whoa. Wait, say that again? Louder! Okay. Oh, they're actually like doing the crown kind of thing, but like with one hand, right? Oh, okay, yes, you know. You saw that. Yes, Miss Ma'am. Oh, switch up. Oh, no. Whoa. Oh, her hair's fire too. We watching you glow. Ooh, oh, with the lightning in the back and the light. Bouncy, turn up. Let's go. Yes, Miss Man. Better get yours. It seems like Leah's not there, right? Damn. Get it. Well, that look up looked crazy. I don't know, my eyes keep on going to you now. She's slaying for me. Oh, but all the girls really do slay. Yeji too. Ooh. Yo, the choreo in this is crazy, especially with the dancers, like just to make the whole visual effect. Just to like the ripple effect too. Oh, okay, kicks on kicks. Damn. Okay, editing team. You saw them graphics. It is definitely a performance song too, like an anthem song. Ooh. Wait, that's fire. The ending, it almost looked like they were like sitting on like a kind of like a crown almost of like dancers. Oh, that's right. Leah did announce hiatus for health concerns, and they did say that Leah wouldn't participate in the group's next album. They literally came through with a power song. This makes me want to. I don't know why. Every time I listen to Just I already have like the chorus in my head, and it makes me feel like I want to play like some type of fighting game while choosing a fighter type of ish. Hopefully it gets well soon on, you know, on her terms, of course, too. You know, hopefully she's not ever forced to be back. You know, health is wealth, y'all. Health is wealth. But we do miss her. From the beginning, all the girls did it. Yeji, Chaeryeong, Ryojin, and Yuna were all slaying. Like they literally each had their own moment. Come on. Was it? Yeah, okay. Ryojin pops up first. And then Yeji takes over. This man always be slaying though. Like even like when she does like her dance covers, you know what I'm talking about? Like on those Studio Choom stuff. Kills it. Yuna does slay here too. She really just, oh my god. Like, yes, Miss Ma'am. To me, Ryojin, it doesn't matter what concept it is, she always stands up to me too. Like, look at this. This is a pretty iconic part too. Oh my god, I thought he said Tory Lanez. I was like, why would you bring him up? It's a Victory Lane. Victor. Okay, Miss Chaeryeong. She's bro. If you don't know that, ITZY slays. Where have you been? Whoa. Hey, a little body roll on there. I'm probably gonna check out the behind the scenes of this. Like with the whole, I think anything with like a huge dance group behind y'all, behind a group, just hits different. This is definitely a performance type of vibe. This part here. Is this all English? I just realized. Sometimes oh no, it's not. Wait. It's not. No, it's not. Get it. Do it your own way. Okay, Miss Yuna. Hey. This is ma'am. She's serving. They all serving, to be honest. Look at that. Damn, they on some Naruto Jujutsu shit. Look at this right here. Pop. Damn, you saw this? How do you do that? That's crazy. Damn, the amount of pace that was. Hey. Be sure to like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Go check out the link in the description to check out ITZY's Born to Be music video. Put in the link in the description. Be sure to check it out. Go stream it. I'll be in Hawaii for like almost a month. I'll definitely be updating on Discord, so be sure to follow the Discord. And I'll try to stream. I'll try to upload content. I'm just there to just visit family and just celebrate the holidays. Also, be sure to subscribe to Dre Day. I'll be uploading there more vlog footage, more about just like in my personal life type of ish, and just games and K-pop game stuff. And yeah, go support ITZY. All right, y'all. Till next time, everybody. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.
He got an X, so that joint is old school.